The Tesla app displaying "Check Internet Connection" despite a stable network is a common issue. It often stems from app-level connectivity problems, not a complete internet outage. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps. As of December 2025, while Tesla has released updates to address VPN-related glitches, the problem persists for some users, especially on Android devices. The issue is more prevalent on Android devices, particularly Samsung Galaxy models. Tesla has acknowledged the problem, attributing it to enhanced security protocols that can misinterpret VPN traffic. First, verify your internet connection. Use a speed test app or website to ensure you have a stable connection with at least 10 Mbps download speed. Next, toggle airplane mode on and off. This simple action can reset your network connections and resolve basic connectivity issues. Then, try forgetting your Wi-Fi network and reconnecting. This refreshes the network settings and can fix simple connectivity hiccups. These basic network troubleshooting steps can resolve simple connectivity hiccups. If the issues continue, move on to more advanced troubleshooting methods. VPNs encrypt your internet traffic and route it through remote servers. This process protects your data by creating a secure tunnel, shielding it from potential threats like hackers, governments, and internet service providers. Tesla's app employs strict SSL certificate pinning as a security measure. This technology ensures that only legitimate connections to Tesla's servers are accepted, rejecting any that appear altered or tampered with by VPNs, which can mimic security threats. As a result, VPN interference can trigger the Check Internet Connection error in the Tesla app, even when your internet connection is fully functional. This happens because the app detects the modified traffic as a potential risk and blocks authentication. Understanding how VPNs interfere with the Tesla app is crucial for the troubleshooting steps that follow. Start by temporarily disabling your VPN. Turn off the VPN app entirely and try opening the Tesla app. If the connection error goes away, you found the cause. To keep using your VPN while fixing Tesla app issues, configure your VPN settings. Two main options are whitelisting the Tesla app or enabling split tunneling. Whitelisting allows the Tesla app to bypass the VPN completely. Split tunneling directs only Tesla traffic outside the VPN tunnel, while other apps remain protected. If disabling or configuring your VPN doesn't resolve the Check Internet Connection error, try app-specific fixes, starting with clearing the Tesla app's cache. In your phone's settings, navigate to the Apps section, find the Tesla app, and clear its cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing the connectivity issue. If clearing the cache doesn't work, force stop the Tesla app. This completely closes the app and can refresh its connection to Tesla's servers. As a last resort, uninstall the Tesla app completely and reinstall it from your app store. This replaces any corrupted app data or files that might be causing the problem. For advanced troubleshooting of the Tesla app connectivity issue, resetting your device's network settings can often resolve persistent problems. This process clears all network-related configurations and forces your device to reconnect fresh. On Android devices, navigate to Settings, then look for General Management or System, followed by Reset options. Select Reset Network Settings to clear Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth configurations. For iOS devices, go to Settings, tap General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, and choose Reset. Select Reset Network Settings to erase Wi-Fi networks, passwords, and cellular settings. Be aware that resetting network settings will remove all saved Wi-Fi passwords and VPN settings, so make sure to have your credentials ready for re-entry. This step can help eliminate corrupted network data that might be causing the Tesla app connection error. The Tesla app may fail due to insufficient storage space on your device. Low storage can prevent apps from functioning properly. Additionally, check for conflicting apps that might interfere with the Tesla app's connection. These could include firewall tools or other security apps. Experts predict Tesla will adopt more flexible networking to improve app connectivity, addressing current VPN and network issues. Tesla aims to integrate AI-driven diagnostics in future app versions to automatically detect and fix connectivity problems, potentially eliminating the check internet connection error through predictive algorithms. To stay ahead, regularly check Tesla's app releases and community forums for the latest fixes and workarounds.